Have you ever felt conflicted about trading, knowing that the pursuit of profit can sometimes lead to tough choices? Have you ever questioned if the wealth you're building is truly worth the cost to your soul? What if I told you there's a way to trade that aligns not just with your financial goals, but with your faith and values? Imagine waking up every day knowing that every decision you make in the market is in harmony with your deepest beliefs. It's possible. And in today's video, I'll show you how integrating Islamic principles into your trading can bring peace to your heart and success to your portfolio. Stay tuned because this could change everything about the way you trade. Welcome to Islamic Bloom, a space where we unlock the transformative power of Islamic teachings to elevate your life, your mindset, your wealth, and today, your trading. I'm Warda Rafik, and in this video, we're diving into an area that's often overlooked by most traders: ethics. As traders, we're often caught between two worlds, one that pushes for quick profits and another that wants to honor our values. How do we strike a balance? Is it possible to be successful without compromising your faith? Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to the world of Islamic finance and show you how reading Islamic books on trading can help you trade in a way that's not only more ethical, but also more successful. Let's be honest, trading today is tougher than ever. The market is unpredictable, and the pressure to make a profit is unrelenting. It feels like there's no time to think, just act. Every decision is a race against time. But within this chaotic environment, there's a deeper challenge many traders face: ethical dilemmas. You've probably asked yourself questions like, should I take this risky trade even though I don't have all the facts? Or is it okay to profit from volatile market conditions even if it hurts others? We all face these questions when trading, but the real question we should be asking is, how can I trade in a way that aligns with my values, my faith, and my integrity? Unfortunately, most trading books focus on the technical side of trading. They'll teach you how to read charts, how to analyze markets, and how to make money, but they rarely answer the more profound question: how do I trade with integrity and stay true to my values, especially when temptation lurks around every corner? That's where Islamic finance comes in, offering timeless principles that guide traders not just toward profit, but toward a balanced and ethical way of doing business. So let's explore these principles and how they can reshape your trading journey. Islamic finance isn't just about avoiding riba interest or haram-forbidden transactions. It's about a holistic approach to wealth building, ensuring that the way we earn and the way we trade aligns with our moral and spiritual values. Let's break down 3 core Islamic principles that can transform your approach to trading. Islamic finance isn't just about avoiding riba interest or haram-forbidden actions. It's a holistic approach to wealth building, ensuring your trading aligns with moral and spiritual values. Let's break down 3 key principles that can transform your approach to trading. 1. Risk management. Islam encourages managing risk, not gambling. Rather than taking speculative trades, Islam teaches us to make informed, calculated decisions. The Prophet Muhammad PBUH said, "A strong believer is better than a weak one," highlighting the importance of strength in decision-making, actions, and faith. When you trade with awareness, you're not gambling, you're trading responsibly. 2. Ethical trading. Islam forbids exploitation, manipulation, and unfair practices. The focus is on fairness. Profits should come from honest exchanges, not from taking advantage of others. Ethical trading isn't just rewarding in this world, it's a way to foster peace and justice. Imagine a market where every trade is transparent and based on fairness. 3. Intention niyyah. In Islam, actions are judged by intention. Trading isn't just about making money, it's about the purpose behind it. If your intention is to provide for your family, contribute to society, or build lawful wealth, your trading becomes an act of worship. It's not about how much you make, but the purity of your heart in making those decisions. Let me share Ali's story. He was a trader struggling with ethical dilemmas. The temptation to profit from volatile markets made him feel guilty. But after reading about Islamic finance principles, he shifted his focus to informed decisions, ethical practices, and risk management. He started seeing trading as a way to provide for his family and align with his faith. His mindset changed, and with it, his profits grew. Ali's story proves that aligning your trading with ethics and values doesn't just bring peace, it leads to real, lasting success. Integrating Islamic principles into trading is about more than being ethical. It's about being smart and strategic while building wealth in line with your values. By applying risk management, ethical trading, and pure intention, you create a sustainable and prosperous trading strategy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you faced ethical challenges in trading? How do you balance profit with integrity? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Islamic Bloom with Ward Rafik. Let's continue growing together in faith, success, and purpose. Stay blessed, and remember, every trade can be a step toward both financial and spiritual growth.